Are you also worried because of the cracking and popping sound that's coming from your joints? There are various researchers giving various opinions, but let me do the hard work for you and make it simple. Crackling or popping is normal if it is not associated with pain. No swelling, no redness or warmth, no locking or giving way, no sudden loss of movement. In such cases, no treatment is required and reassurance is sufficient. You should consult a physiotherapist if the sound is accompanied by pain, swelling or stiffness, history of injury or trauma, progressive worsening, reduced function or strength. That's it.